Righto, here's the Mighty Sound City 120 that people either love or loathe depending on their understanding of the active preamp. And the active preamp is often noisy, and that's a criticism of this amp. However, I've discovered a fix for it. So what the issue is right here. You can see on the top of this tag board there is an earth. That earth is tightened by that size nut underneath the chassis, which is very hard to kind of tighten to any real degree to get a really solid earth. So what I've done is I've run a cable from that to another earth, as you can see right here, and the amp is quiet. So give that a try.